What if I told you there's a way to invest where you are guaranteed to do better than 90% of the professionals by not trying? It sounds like a riddle, but it's at the heart of the single biggest debate in modern finance: active versus passive investing. Understanding this one choice could be the difference between retiring comfortably or just paying high fees. This is the One Moment Deeper Dive. First, let's meet active investing. Think of this as hiring a superstar chef. You're paying a high price for an expert, a fund manager who promises to handpick the absolute best stocks. Their full-time job is to analyze companies, track the news, and trade constantly, all with one goal: to beat the market. They want to get you a 15% return when the market average is only 10%. The main tool here is the actively managed mutual fund. The problem? It's incredibly difficult and it's expensive. These superstar managers charge very high fees for their expertise, whether they win or lose. Now let's meet passive investing. If active investing is hiring a chef to pick the best ingredients, passive investing is simply buying the entire grocery store. Instead of trying to find the one winning stock, you buy all of them. The most common way to do this is through an index fund, which automatically buys every stock in an index, like the S&P 500. You're not trying to find the next Google, you already own it, along with 499 other companies. The goal here isn't to beat the market, the goal is to be the market. And because this is all done by a computer on autopilot, the fees are incredibly low, often nearly zero. So here is the big debate. Why would you pay a superstar chef, active, a high fee when studies consistently show that over any 10-year period, over 90% of them fail to perform better than the entire grocery store, passive? It's why billionaire investor Warren Buffett has famously said that for most people, a low-cost S&P 500 index fund is the single best investment they can make. Active investing gives you the chance, a very small one, at extraordinary returns. Passive investing gives you the near certainty of average market returns, which historically have built incredible wealth over time. So the real choice is, do you want to pay a high price for a small chance to win big, or pay almost nothing for a high chance to win steadily?